You're not going in that house, Huntress. That I promise.
I'm here on league business, Canary.
That's not what Jean said. We just called him.
Okay, that didn't work.
Maybe this will.
Why are you doing this, Question?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
And here I heard you're some kind of brilliant fighter.
You heard right.
I strongly advise you to stay down. These impact arrows are non-lethal, but they hurt. A lot.
He's gone! Mandragora is gone!
If you knew all that, then you probably know what I'm gonna do to Mandragora when I catch him. So why help me?
That is the question. Somebody's following us.
Lose them.
Like airline luggage.
You're not supposed to drive when you're angry.
They're heading towards the waterfront! Hang on!
It's so funny you think you have to tell me that.
Stop the car, Question! Pull over!
Stop following us, Canary.
Is that her? Give me that!
Hey!
You want a piece of me, Blondie? Bring it.
This is so unnecessary. Are we dead yet?
Go!
Are we dead yet?
Look, if we die, I promise I'll let you know.
Train!
I see it.
Train!
I see it!
Whoops.
John, get us out of here! Now!
I can't believe you! I rebuilt that bike by hand!
You're absolutely right. I'm sorry I saved our lives.
Ugh.
Jean thinks Huntress is the unstable one.